Everything you know about a refrigerator is going to change. Even the way you use a refrigerator is going to change. As we usher in a new era of refrigerators. Presenting the future of refrigerators. Introducing Series 4 from Bosch. It takes freshness to the next level. It's not just a refrigerator. It's a big Bosch of freshness. Carefully crafted German engineering, now made in India. Freshness will stay longer than ever before. Goodness will stay longer than ever before. Revolutionary Vita Fresh with advanced humidity control keeps fruits and veggies fresher for a longer time. Never seen before combination of multi-airflow with door airflow that ensures surround cooling even at the door. Unmatched cooling retention keeps cooling intact even after 16 hours of power cut. The air fresh filter ensures the food smells fresh too. Advanced multi-sensor technology saves energy and maintains ideal temperature even when the door is opened frequently. There is more to Series 4. And there is more than just Series 4. So, let's come together for more. Bosch, invented for life.